Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to insert a picture in a shape in PowerPoint. Let's get started. First of all, go to Insert tab and see the shape. Click and select any shape. Example, I select this shape. Okay. Hold Shift for this big size and right click or click Shape Fill drop down menu and see this picture. Click here. Wait few seconds. From a file, open this image. That's it. Use outline, red color or thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.